Howdy campers, my name is Lizzie. I'm here at Funtown RV Corsicana. Today I'm super excited to show you our new 2026 Jayco Jay Flight 287VH. Let's get started. Here on the front we have a huge pass-through storage, a power awning with LED lighting, and for all of your parties we have speakers outside as well as inside. We have an easy place to put a TV here. And we have dual entrances. This one is a solid safety step with a grab bar for assist getting in. This model has a rear bunk. We have double over double bunks with plenty of space. Also storage on the side and steps to get in. Then we have your jackknife sofa, which easily folds out to a bed. And for even more sleeping space, we have the U-shaped dinette that can easily sleep 2 people. And for all you foodies out there, we have a large amount of counter space in the kitchen, a deep separated sink, and plenty of storage for all of your utensils. We have a 3-burner range with an oven and even more storage for your pots. We have a microwave with our range hood, and we can put your TV here so you can watch the game or any family movies. And here we have your 12-volt refrigerator, so all of your food and drinks can be chilled and ready to go at the campsite. Here we have your pass-through bathroom. Your bathroom has a very large walk-in shower. I'm 4'11" and I can't touch the ceiling. We also have this large vanity with solid countertops and a medicine cabinet. And in the bedroom, we have a large pocket door for privacy. His and hers dual wardrobes. Space for shoes on top, and ample under-bed storage. The new 2026 Jayco Jay Flight 287VH was made with families in mind, so if you're ready to get marshmallow season on the road, give us a call. And for all you foodies out there, we have a large amount of counter space in the kitchen, a deep separated sink, and plenty of storage for all of your utensils.